First thing I'm going to do, I've set my pressure to 60 PSI. That's already done. Second thing is I'm going to stand back 3 feet and I'm going to pull the trigger first and then squeeze the bag. Here's a very light pattern. Here's a more medium. And here's heavy. Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about some things that are going to make our Easy Pro texture system flawless as far as application. First thing we're going to talk about is preparing the texture for shooting. This is our new Easy Pro texture mixer, and you grab the tip, close it together, you push this down inside the texture, and then mix this with your impact or your drill. And that extends the life of these bags to 3 years, which is amazing. And it gives you texture. It's in the bag like the day that we put it there. So that's a key component to having a really good experience. You can find these mixers on easyprotexture.com, and you get 2 of them for about $6. This texture is actually already mixed up, so I'm going to go ahead and pull the mixer out of it. I'm going to hook the bag to the gun in a moment, but the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to set the pressure on the gun. And the pressure on the gun is set at the compressor, and we set it at 60 PSI. A very common mistake is that folks will set the pressure at 60 PSI without any air flowing through the gun. So when I pull the trigger, air flows through the gun. While it's flowing, I can't do that and talk to you at the same time, but if I was going to set the pressure, I'd hold the trigger all the way down, set the pressure to 60, and then when it's set at 60 and flowing consistently, I'd let go of the trigger. That's going to bring the pressure up on the compressor probably to 70, 80. That's okay, because when you pull the trigger, you want 60 pounds of flowing pressure. So that's tip number 1 and very important. Secondly, how far you stand from the surface is very, very important. And what I find in demonstrations and having folks shoot the gun while I'm standing there, everybody wants to lean into it. I'll tell folks, stand back 3 feet, and that's what we recommend, stand back 3 feet, and then move in if need to close your pattern. I always use this analogy. If you think about a shotgun, you stand back and you shoot a shotgun, the farther you stand back, the more time that pattern has to open up in the bigger span of your blast, right? If I stand back, there's an opportunity for the texture to spread out and you have a nice open pattern with space between the drops. And if it's too wide, you just close it in and just fill in a little bit, works great. If I stand here and I pull the trigger and I'm on the bag, and it loads up real fast, the only way to fix that is to scrape it off. You don't want that. So stand back 3 feet, and that's tip number 2, super important. The next tip is that once we put the bag on, which we're going to do now, and you see I'm just screwing this onto the gun, right onto the bag. It's about how we squeeze the bag. And we tell you to squeeze, but we don't want you to squeeze the bag, number 1, until you're pulling the trigger. We want to have air flowing first. But when you squeeze the bag, you're going to squeeze the bottom of the bag, and the idea is to squeeze the mud up into the airflow as you're shooting. So you're adding texture to the airflow to create the pattern. If you just squeeze in the middle, part of it's going down, part of it's going up, and as you empty out what's on top, everything below is not going to get used. So you have to think about it. You want to move all that stuff up towards the top, and you're going to be crumpling the bag and doing whatever's necessary to get every little bit of texture out of that, right? It doesn't matter, just keep pulling the trigger, squeezing it to get that last little bit in every corner, and you'll get 100% usage of every bag. So let's go through these 3 tips and let's see how it works in actual operation. First thing I'm going to do, I've set my pressure to 60 PSI. That's already done. Second thing is I'm going to stand back 3 feet, and I'm going to pull the trigger first and then squeeze the bag. You can see how right out of the gate I get a very nice pattern. It's spread out nice. I really am good. At 60 PSI, if I have a medium texture, that would be fine. If I needed to make it a little heavier, I could hit that same spot one more time and just add a little more texture to the pattern. I'm squeezing about medium in the range of easy to hard. I'm squeezing about medium to get that pattern. If I wanted a little bit lighter pattern, less pressure, you can see how this that I'm shooting down here is much lighter than what I shot up here. Let's do that a little clearer so that you can truly see the difference. Here's a very light pattern. Here's a more medium. And here's heavy. So you can see that I have tons of control with how much I squeeze, but I'm squeezing from the bottom of the bag, lifting that texture up into the gun. So if you're interested in any of our Easy Pro Texture products, You can find them at easyprotexture.com. You can find it in this floating link over here. You can find it in our description and down in comments. Also, another thing I want to just mention about our gun, we have such confidence in this gun. Anytime within 5 years of you buying this gun, you send it back to us with a problem and we'll not fix it, we'll replace it. That's how confident we are in what we're selling to you.